students have unique needs and must be responded in the same fashion. The job is best done by the teachers who paint great pictures in the minds of the young students and who travel comfortably with them because they understand their needs.
The story is about Thumbelina.
We at Sangre strive to create an atmosphere where children have an opportunity to exploit their potential and attain excellence in their chosen field. Nestled in the foothills of Himalayas, the school is located in beautiful surroundings at Raipur, Dehradun. At a distance of 7 kilometers from Clock Tower, away from the din and bustle of the city.
Morning class, sit down. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle at what? The square of the
St. Grace Academy International is a co-educational day-cum residential school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE), New Delhi.
Say loudly. C says. B says.
We shall always try to balance the traditional and modern values, preparing ourselves to grasp opportunities that each day offers, to grow and learn throughout our lives. Our endeavor is to succeed, determined not to fall.
There is so many things which is special in this school, and I can't say it to word because it is very far apart.
The school attaches great importance to a varied program of activities outside the ordinary class routine. These are designed to develop important traits of character like honesty, self-confidence, cooperation, and diligence of duties to promote talent for leadership and responsibility.
I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it.
You will obtain the inverted image of this needle over
The school has well-equipped laboratories for different streams of science with excellent facilities for practical work.
How many readings? 3 readings, right?
The children get hands-on experience which complement the theoretical knowledge.
It should be up to here.
Oxalic acid is an acid and K11O4 is a
Base. Good.
Inside this is the male part. This is called as pollen gland. Outer covering is called as axine. Cerebrum control the intellectual emotion, and cerebellum control muscular activity.
The child can discover, develop, and express his or her talent in the fields of art, craft, science, community services, etc. in the activity rooms.
I welcome you to the world of Sai Grace Academy International, where truth and sacrifice are the epitomes of success.
Small opportunities are often the beginning of great achievements. Knowledge of computer is imparted to the students right from the primary section.
Today we have to click on back button में. Same.
Internet access to source websites and other information for educational purposes is also being provided.
Good afternoon. The topic for today's debate is cell phone a necessity or a luxury?
Public speaking skills have always been known to be very effective in developing confidence, self-belief, oratory, leadership, and quick thinking skills through quiz,
Team A, when was the first economic census held in India?
April 1977.
The school has excellent sports infrastructure with coaches who impart training in badminton, table tennis, shooting, swimming, gymnastics, aerobics, carom, chess, yoga, and meditation. Residential life at Sai is a positive and effective force. It provides refuge and a place for healing, relaxation, laughter, and togetherness. And it is like a home away from home.
How is your day today?
Good, sir.
How is your day today?
Thank you, Lord, for the food you gave.
Thank you, Lord, for the food you gave.
We at Sai Grace try to create an atmosphere where children have opportunity to exploit their potentials and attain excellence in their chosen field.
An ultra-modern computerized library acts as a resource center equipped with a large number of volumes of books for the benefit of students and staff. Besides acting as a comfortable and ideal platform for self-study, it also has a treasure of a variety of resource materials like journals, magazines, compact discs.
When you will write, coordinate minds.
Language is a means of communication.
You will tell me how.
Sai lays a special emphasis on proper spoken English and the correct method of conversation. Students are given opportunities to make choices and to feel the joy and satisfaction that can be explored in working with others and in serving others, like doing gardening.
Start.
Physical training, games, and athletics are employed to the best advantage to promote physical, culture, and healthy spirit of competition.
Staff for producing 100% result in class 10. I appreciate your effort. The teachers have taken extra classes.
Counselor ma'am is going through the question answers first better, or should I go through the chapter so that I have a better idea of what is there?
No, just go through the question is not the right way to study. Okay, just firstly you just go through the lesson, alright, then try to answer them. If you can't, then you just come to your teachers or you can come to me.
भीतर की आग, धनुष की डोरी, तीर का नुकीलापन, कुल्हाड़ी की धार।
जंगल की ताजी हवा, नदियों की निर्मलता, पहाड़ों का मौन, गीतों की धुन।
मिट्टी का सौंदर्यपन, फसलों की लहलहाट में बसा है साई ग्रेस एकेडमी इंटरनेशनल।
नाचने के लिए खुला आंगन, गाने के लिए गीत और हंसने के लिए थोड़ी सी खिलखिलाहट।
और इस अविश्वास भरे दौर में थोड़ा सा विश्वास, थोड़ी सी उम्मीद, थोड़े से सपने। आओ मिलकर बचाएं कि इस दौर में भी बचाने को बहुत कुछ बचा है अब भी हमारे पास। साई ग्रेस एकेडमी इंटरनेशनल।